Yo, morning guys. All right, it is day 37. Skate across America. Very tough time getting out of bed this morning. Just sore. And the time change, I've been staggered. Yesterday's an 80-mile day, so we've been ramping up. Gotta probably not probably, we have to do another one today, but maybe more. We'll see what the conditions give us, but yeah, I got a beautiful sunrise right here, right on the water. I think we're gonna be on like a coastal kind of road like this all day, so hopefully it stays decently smooth, but yeah, I'm ready to push some miles, so let's do it. I am sore. I am beat up. We got a couple days left. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I gotta really focus, get my miles up today. I'm starting to feel the pressure. I would really like today to be a decent day, 90, 100. I doubt we get to 100 with how everything's laid out, but hey, clank. We're clanking.
That's crazy, dude. I shouldn't have been snacking on those last night.
Yeah. Oh my god.
No. Just stop nibbling on them when you're out there.
I can't, man.
It's not cheese.
Yo! Oh, man. Is that the first RV supporter? I don't think I told you guys if you didn't see it because it was buffering. But those people who met up, look what they gave me. Old Faithful. Yeah, those are cicada supporters you're hearing. That's what you're asking about, that sound in the background. This will be a close one. Not too bad. Oh! Oh man. Love that guy. I put everything I had into this. Every single thing I had. Pushed every limit, every, physically, mentally.
We got a Dollar General right up the street. On Dixon Street.
Nice. You should go meet the general manager.
I'm good.
You ever play knock hockey?
Knock hockey?
Yeah.
No.
Really?
What is it? What is it?
Knock hockey?
Like air hockey?
Kinda.
Yeah, I've played air hockey.
But knock hockey. No air at all.
I haven't played that.
Yeah, you're missing out. It was before air was invented.
Oh. I always knew you were old.
How's it going? Oh, I'm chilling. How are you?
Dude,
Nice
you
to
need some
meet
water
you.
or anything?
I'm actually just filled up my
Did you?
backpack.
Dude,
Yeah.
that was so crazy. We just passed you and I was like, I'm pretty sure that's the guy that's
Oh, really?
across the U.S. right now. And then we turned on the live stream.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, it's amazing. Hey, thanks for
That's
stopping,
awesome,
man.
dude. God bless you. Be
Yeah.
safe,
Oh,
man.
appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too, dude.
Nice meeting you. Bye. So Jacksonville, we're aiming for like a 5 p.m. finish. Could be earlier. I'm trying to get ahead of schedule, but I don't know. Could be later. Could be sunset, 8 o'clock, like I've been normally finishing. I'll be skating over a massive bridge with police escorts that I don't think people should come to, right? And that's the first bridge. And then there's another bridge that's closer to the water that I'll be skating over. And I think people will skate over that, or at the end of that, skate with me to the water. Some people, I'm not really 100% sure. Kona Skate Park is planning all this stuff. Big shout out to Adorama. They trusted me and my vision that I will execute whatever it is, you know. And so without them, this trip was, it was looking pretty grim right before the trip, man. I really, it was pretty insane, I have to say. But I was not, this was not gonna happen, so. But huge shout out to Adorama for seeing the vision and just in general being down to support creators, you know. No pee on the trail, man. How we doing?
All the way.
I'm trying. I got like 2 days left. Chad, nice to meet you.
Hey, I'm Oak Tree.
How are you?
We work down in the nursery.
Chad, nice to meet you. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
There's a river right up here, the Color River.
Oh, okay.
You might want to jump in. Nice and cold.
Yeah, I think about it, but I don't know. I don't want to get like, you know,
Yeah,
skate
I
after that and be. It would be nice to cool off though. I started in Venice Beach, California.
Venice Beach.
Damn,
Yeah.
you're almost there.
Yeah, I need 2 more days. That's it. Jacksonville. Yeah.
I watched you go over the bridge on your feed
Yeah.
in Caribou.
Oh, that was fun. Yeah.
He won't be here till like 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
You're making time.
These roads are smooth, so yeah, it's pretty easy. How's the bridge over by the river? It's not too bad.
No,
Straight.
Yeah, it's pretty flat.
Cool.
Yeah, it's not like a.
Yeah, the other one was like
Yeah,
a decent hike. Yeah.
Apalachicola, yeah. Wow, man.
That's,
That's
oh, yeah.
the same board.
Yep, that's the wheels right there.
Damn. All right.
Those are getting extra. I didn't realize how. Those might have exactly 2 days left in them.
Wow. Have you been changing them?
Yeah, no, same wheels the whole trip.
That's crazy.
Yeah, same bearing, same everything.
All
Cool,
right.
man.
Hell
Hey,
yeah.
thanks for stopping, guys. I
Yeah.
appreciate it. Nice meeting
I'm
you.
Oak Tree. He's Vince.
All right,
You're
cool.
You're
Chad.
Chad,
Yeah, nice to meet you guys, man.
Yeah, my buddy was like, he's going by.
Dude, that means a lot. Thank you, man. 50-mile face reveal. We did it.
Nice.
How we doing?
What up, brother?
How's it going? What's your name?
I got some pickle juice.
What's your name?
Derek,
Chad, nice to meet you, man. How you feeling?
want some pickle juice?
If is it cold?
It's really cold and staying a little cooler.
I'll try a little bit. Thank you. I'm getting a little crampy, so that might help.
Been waiting on you, made up. Saw you day one.
Hey, that board is sick.
Yeah, here's you on this side, Danny on that side. Where's he at?
Yeah, I think he'll be around here somewhere. Let me see. You said over here?
Yeah, you'll be on Rick's side.
Okay. Oh. Nice. That's what's up. Oh yeah, man.
Cheers.
Cheers. Appreciate you, man. Did you paint that or draw? Yeah.
I just
Nice.
did this.
That's cool, man. See, I've been getting a little tight, so this might help. Damn. Yo, Capri Sun, I haven't had one of those in forever. Oh yeah, man.
Tail coming down the blade.
Yeah, I've never razor-tailed a board like that before, man.
Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Yeah, hopefully they got 2 more days left in them.
You never swapped the back to the front.
I never even moved them, yeah. Ride it around though, it's not. You wanna ride it?
I like the way mine's
Here.
like that too.
Ride it. Great meeting you.
safe
Thank
trip.
you for helping me out right here. Supporting. Yo! Ho, ho, ho. Boat support. Sea support. Nautical support. Hey, how we doing? Dude, that is awesome.
Where you coming from?
Yeah, I'm coming from Venice Beach, California, but
You the guy on Facebook?
yeah. Yeah, nice to meet
That's
you.
what's up,
I'm
bro.
Chad,
Follow
man.
you, actually.
Really? Yeah. I got 2 days left.
You don't got nobody following behind you?
He's
Getting
in
some
the
food
town, like uploading the video pretty far away, so
yeah.
I'm just chilling.
Well,
Yeah, dude, this is a huge help because I actually ran out of water.
no,
so
you
yeah.
straight. I see you straight, and I was like, no, we gotta give you a bottle of water.
Dude, this is huge. I just was saying, I was like, yo,
Yeah.
I ran out of my water in my backpack, so
No,
this
yeah,
is.
you good. We just got off work. I was
Hey.
Hey, man, you be safe.
Hey, have a good day. Thank you.
Yes.
Nice meeting you, man. Check this out. Ready for this? I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks. Instead of taking time and stopping my flow, I'm handing Danny my backpack. He can fill it with water. I get this electrolyte. He fills it, meets me down there, gives it back to me, puts a charger in there. All right, well, me and Danny are a little slow learners, but we finally, I think, got it down. After 37 days, 2 days away from the finish, I think we got it. Close, we're close. The 100-mile day felt surreal, man. I didn't really even think about it, and I just kept moving in the next day. But like, I looked at the Strava the other day, I was saying, and I just like briefly like saw some of the, you know, like a photo and my mileage, and it just like, oh my God, like that was just, I can't even believe that that was happening. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Bong. So right now we are at 71.55. What was that?
You the guy skateboarding, man?
Yeah. Yeah, man. How's it going? Sorry, I have my headphones in.
I think I've seen you on Instagram.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chad.
What's going on? I'm great.
How are you?
Nice to meet you, brother. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Just got 2 more days left, really, after this.
Where'd you start again?
Venice Beach. Yeah, it's been 37 days.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, thanks, man. It's been fun. Yeah.
Keep on trucking.
What was your name?
Grant.
Grant, Chad.
Chad?
Hey, nice meeting you. Thanks for
brother.
stopping, man. Appreciate it. Broke 90. Still got some sunlight. Let's keep going. Yo? Anyone? Hey, there's someone. I felt it. Yo, they're all looking. Yeah. Yes. I see you. This may be the best road I've ever been on in my life. What was the best state to push across? It's looking like Florida. This is such a relief, you have no idea. I've been saying this to Danny. I'm like, we gotta do a 100-mile day one of these days. And I don't know, with the wind today, I didn't really know if it was gonna be today. Or any day, really. It was more of like a dream, like, yeah, we should try. Hopefully it works out, and it did today. Wow. It sounds crazy to say that, man. So many days of this trip, it just felt like impossible, and the longest, most difficult days where it just felt like it couldn't end. Or like I wouldn't make it to the end, more so, because I know a month will pass, right? But damn. So it feels great to be 2 days away. 147 miles remaining as of that intersection. And we just hit the big 9-8. Let's go. 2 more, 100. Rocking triple digits again. I thought I may never say that again. Because you think after this trip, it's like, yeah, I'm probably not going to be going over 100 again. Unless there's a real specific reason or something comes up. It's cool to be back here. How's it going? Chad, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I was just asking about you.
How are you?
That's why I say good luck on the trip, man.
Oh, thank you.
And you're what, how many days?
37 days in,
Yes. And y'all have it done in 2 more days?
2 more days, and we're at mile 99.7
Yeah.
today. We're getting there.
Well, good luck to y'all, man.
Hey, thank you,
You
man.
say your name is?
Chad, what's your name?
Kevin Miles.
Kevin, nice to
I
meet
live
you.
Right around here.
Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for stopping.
Hurry up.
Look who's showed up. Hey! Big Hundy. All right, forget the van. Let's just go to Jayville.
I just wanted to be with you for the 100.
Dude, thank you. Thank you. That was awesome. 101. Bang. New high. Whoa, what the? Jesus. Yo, that was insane. Yo, he darted like a couple of feet in front of me, like heavy, fast. That's awesome. Did anyone see that? Oh dear. Hey, dude.
That was one of the craziest things
Could you see
I've
it?
ever seen in my. I saw it from over there start.
No.
I was like, oh no! And then it just went right in front of you.
It was, I felt like it was a couple of feet in front of me.
I was terrified. I saw it like in slow motion, but you know.
Oh my God.
Oh my! I can't. Only.
I didn't know what was really happening. It was like, I thought it would like change course or something. It was so committed.
That's why I was so scared. 'Cause when it was on that side, it went like this,
Yeah.
and then it ran.
Yeah, they get spooked. And well,
Oh my God.
let me clock out of this thing. Insane day. Perfect circumstances, perfect road. Everything went really well. Also, Danny just absolutely killed it. I feel like we really got dialed in and like took advantage of what the road was giving us, and you know, no breaks basically, just really efficient like refills, and made it happen. The support in the chat today was insane, so thank you guys so much. What else, man? That was, yeah. Feels incredible to get those miles under me, because I was really feeling heavy about the next couple of days. Am I gonna get these miles in? So having that underneath, a little bit of leeway, a little bit of cushion leading up to the end. Also getting back from that injury and just like being destroyed, kind of to where I was before the trip, you know, or you know, right in the beginning. But that's it, man. Almost got T-boned by a deer. 103 miles. What a day. It was awesome. That's it. 2 more days till Jacksonville. We'll be celebrating there. Probably midday or like 5 p.m., something like that. Dune Hotel, I think it is. Right at the end there on 10 by the beach. So giving you guys some information in case you haven't been in here. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna go eat and rest, and I appreciate you guys.